Namaskar. Welcome to Ahara Arogya Adhyatma, the light of Samskara. Today happens to be the 6th day of Navaratri and we worship Katyayani. Once the Rishi Katyayana, he felt that he should have Jagat Janani Jaganmata Parvati as his daughter. So he does tapas and gets the daughter. And when he gets the daughter, she's called as Katyayani because she's the daughter of Rishi Katyayana. And she is supposed to be the Ugra Swarupa of Durga. And on one side, she is a embodiment of Viveka and Jnana, the knowledge. And on the other side, she is the Rupa of Samhara, that is the destruction of the evil people. Evil people like Mahishasura. And though she is destroying Mahishasura, not we today, we have to destroy the evil thoughts that we have in our mind. And we should have a passion and energy to live very happily. And in the Bhagavata Purana, there is a story where the Gopikas, they worship Katyayani to get Lord Krishna as their Lord. And she bestows. And so it is also said that whoever worships Katyayani gets a very good husband or a very good daughter, very good wife who is beautiful as well as the embodiment of virtues. And hence today we have Dr. Nandita Odier. Welcome, Dr. Nandita. She is a doctor by profession and she is a obstetrician and gynecologist. So on one side, she is giving birth to the delivering the children, and on the other side, she is performing beautiful dance and all over the world. And especially welcome to Dr. Nandita, who has combined the dance and the delivery. Welcome, Nandita. Namaskar.
Namaste. Sarvamangala Mangalle Shive Sarvartha Sadhake Charane Trambake Gauri Narayani Namaste. I'm Dr. Nandita and I'm wishing you all, my viewers and my madam, happy Navratri and happy Dasara. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nandita. You have performed in so many places, but especially the one you performed in Angkor Wat, the largest Hindu temple in the world, that is in the Cambodia. How was your experience? Please tell us.
It was great. It was outstanding. I never prepared for that moment to dance. It just happened. When I went and saw the structure and the architect of the temple, I thought I should give some kind of bhakti, whatever prarthana, prayer from my side to this temple, and that to the biggest Vishnu temple in the world. So it came just like that, and I did a Sharda Stuti. It is a Saraswati, Ma Saraswati Stuti, and it just flawlessly it came. And I am blessed to perform in Angkor Wat.
I'm sure, because though I have gone there, I never danced. I was only mesmerized by the magnificent structure. But then you have performed, and it is so beautiful. And let our viewers also have watched how you danced in front of the Angkor Wat. The next one is, you have performed in so many various places. Among all of them, which performance do you think is the very embodiment of what you say, like devotion and dedication, and you loved, and it is out of the world performance? When do you think that you performed that? Please tell us.
This in 2025 in February. Mahakumbha was there in Prayagraj. I performed on the bank of river, like there, Prayagraj.
Sangama.
It is
Sangama.
Sangama. It was the outstanding. I completely dedicated my dance to Lord Shiva. He is the Nataraja. He is the Guru. He is everything for dance. So it was my performance to my Guru in that holy place. I was blessed.
Yeah, Nandita. In fact, Shiva becomes a Nataraja, takes the form of Nataraja in order to get back the Smriti for his Parvati, his wife. She would have lost the memory, and then he teaches her Shiva Ashtanga Yoga, Dhyana, and then does the Nataraja performance to control the Apasmara. The Apasmara is a dwarf who is epitome of ignorance and darkness and ahankara. And so he controls with his right foot, and then he stands like that. And then after that, Parvati gets back some memory. And so Shiva is not only for the dance as a Nataraja, he is for the Layakara, Bhavahara, Bhayahara. And on top of that, all the knowledge that we have got today is from Shiva. And that's the reason we worship. And only along with Shiva, it was Parvati or Shakti who could come, what to say, like, match with his energy and the dancing performance. And both together, it was a wonderful thing. Even the Devadi Devas used to wonder how both of them they used to dance together. That is the first duet in the world, I suppose. And and then what about your performance in Sringeri? Please tell us.
Yes, yes. Sringeri also the same thing. I just saw Sharadamba temple, and just next to that Shiva temple is there, the main structure, the main temple.
Chandramauleshwara, yeah.
Chandramauleshwara, yes, yes, Chandramauleshwara. In front of that, I just performed my Sharada Stuti over there and Ganesha Stuti mainly, because
Okay.
Ganapati is my Ishta Devata. So I thought I should perform Ganesha Stuti also over there. I performed over there. And in Harihara temple, in Beluru Halebidu, in Channakeshwara temple, in that where Shakuntala had given her performance, I have given my performance. I am very much blessed. It's
Yeah.
Lord Shiva's blessing is with me. That's why I could do all this
Definitely.
with my
Definitely.
profession and with my passion.
Correct. Correct.
जय शारदे वागीश्वरी, जय शारदे वागीश्वरी, विधि कन्यके विद्याधरी, वागीश्वरी वागीश्वरी।
जय शारदे वागीश्वरी, जय शारदे वागीश्वरी।
ज्योत्स्ने परी कांती तुझी, ज्योत्स्ने परी कांती तुझी, मुखरम्य शारद चंद्रमा, ज्योत्स्ने परी कांती तुझी, मुखरम्य शारद चंद्रमा, उजळे तुझ्या हास्यातुनी, उजळे तुझ्या हास्यातुनी, चारी युगांची पौर्णिमा, तुझी या कृपेचे चांदणे, तुझी या कृपेचे चांदणे, नित वर्षू दे आमच्या शिरी, नित वर्षू दे आमच्या शिरी।
वागीश्वरी, जय शारदे वागीश्वरी।
मतीची भंगली उन्मेष कल्पतरुवरी उन्मेष कल्पतरुवरी बहरून आला मंजिरी बहरून आला मंजिरी
वागीश्वरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी
विधि कन्यके विद्याधरी वागीश्वरी वागीश्वरी
जय शारदे वागीश्वरी
Correct. Because, without the blessings of divine blessings, we cannot. So that's why I was telling, everybody is talking about AI, that is artificial intelligence. Then we
Yes, yes.
talk about DI, that is divine intelligence. And that
Yes, yes.
divine this thing comes automatically through the divinity. So all of us, we are blessed. And then, Parvati is one person who gives energy, strength, and courage to fight against the evil and whatnot. And on top of that, she is also compassionate and kind. And that is the reason, the women, how do you think that today's women should follow her?
Yes, yes, we should follow. We think that Sanatana is very old like that, but Sri Shakti is from the beginning. It is. So we should believe in ourselves, whatever power we have, and we should cultivate some passion. We shouldn't be like it shouldn't go like lazy, like one pace. We shouldn't have. We should learn. We should be always student learning. The age is no bar. So
Correct.
when we look at you, madam, at this age, you are so much energetic and you learn so many things. So we should learn from Adam also. And Sri Shakti is there. And God has given us the power. It is there inside. It should come out. That's all.
Yeah, I fully agree with you, Dr. Nandita, because last year in Mumbai, when I took over as the first lady president of Indian Academy of Echocardiography, they said every time a president gives the presidential oration, and today, Madam is going to give the presidential dance. And that happens to be, Shivaratri. And then I started doing Hara Hara Shambhu. And the whole audience, everybody started dancing Hara Hara Shambhu. And today, the generation should realize that we have the rich culture, heritage, everything, and all the virtues are there. Then Ma Durga herself is a virtuous person. We have to imbibe her good qualities. And finally, what is your advice to the younger generation who are aping at the West and just dancing for the DJ and dying on the spot? For them, what do you say about the traditional dance?
Traditional dance, we have such a rich heritage. We should take advantage. You youngsters should learn classical dance, classical singing, Carnatic singing. It's so much. It's scientific. We have science in that.
Yes.
So and you should learn that. And sometimes when I go to some function, DJ will be going and they will be celebrating Mahavir Jayanti or Ganesh Jayanti, but the songs doesn't match. The Lord will go
devotion.
out of that. He will
Yes.
run away. Like this, I so many times have told, please don't put like these songs. Some devotional songs should be put. And the newer generation, you should know what you have. Our ancestors have given so much of richness to us. We should
Correct.
make use of it.
Correct.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳೋದು.
Yeah. Nija. See, there is a treasure of knowledge, treasure of science, treasure of, energy, and the treasure of tradition. And in leaving all that, if you go to the Western style, which, it has a very bad effect on the brain and the heart,
Yes,
and the sudden cardiac arrhythmic death can occur when you dance for the high decibel music. So instead of dancing for the high decibel music, let us all worship Katyayani, Mahadurge, Navratri, and then wish the best tradition for everyone. Thank you very much, Nandita. It was pleasure having you with us. Namaskar.
It's my pleasure to be with you, madam. Thank you very much
Thank you.
for giving me the opportunity to talk with you, interact with you. I have learned so much and so many things from you, madam.
Thank
Dhanyawad.
you. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you.